It's Fall Down Friday, and China exports growing. Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Friday, July 31st, 2020. I'm Joshua Stark. China's manufacturing activity edged up in July, and export orders strengthened despite weak U.S. and European demand, a survey showed Friday. In fresh signs, the world's second largest economy is gradually recovering from their coronavirus pandemic. The monthly Purchasing Managers Index, issued by the Chinese Statistics Bureau and an industry group, rose to 51.1 from June's 50.9 on a 100-point scale. Numbers above 50 show activity increasing.
We're all doing a lot. A lot of swiping, streaming, scrolling, double tapping, and social media stalking. A whole lot of nothing. You're probably scrolling right now. While we think a certain red heart is giving us life, we're neglecting the one that actually does. So let's take a stand against sitting. Let's care more about strolling than scrolling. Let's take charge of our health. Let's make moves together, starting now. Now.
Big tech companies reported mixed quarterly earnings on Thursday, a day after their top executives faced a tough congressional grilling over their market power and alleged monopolistic practices. All four were affected by the pandemic, although in strikingly different ways. Google and Facebook reported slowing growth in the April and June quarter due to lagging digital ad sales, while Apple and Amazon saw profits and revenue rise. Your Fall Down Friday focus engages in the provision of energy services, including energy efficiency, infrastructure upgrades, asset sustainability, and renewable energy solutions for businesses and organizations throughout North America and Europe. Could be time to turn out the lights on Ameresco, symbol AMRC, starting at $28.79, but it won't be there for long. See you on Monday.
See on page 4 that the projections need to be tornado next Thursday.
Seriously? Thursday? Can't do that.
This is really inconvenient.
I have yoga that day. I have no time for this. So,
I can't do Thursday, but I can do Friday.
Disasters don't plan ahead. You can. Talk to your loved ones about how you're going to be ready in an emergency. Don't wait. Communicate.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.